Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is something different actually. In this video, I'm share my real experience while removing a back cover of the washing machine. Unexpected accident happened when the sharp metal edge cut my technician hand badly. This video is not just a repair guide, but also a safety reminder for everyone who works on home appliances repair and service. Watch carefully to learn how to safety handle washing machine repair and avoid the same mistake he made. Always disconnect the power before attempting any repair. Use protective gloves and proper tools. Ensure your safety. I'm sharing my personal experience actually today with you for educational purpose only. After that, I went to the hospital, and we already still in the hospital. Because of that, I'm going to inform to everybody. It is very dangerous actually without gloves, safety, any other accessories. While we are going to remove latest machine in the market here in UAE, so many machines are there, very cheap machine. For example, I'm telling actually the brand name also, Super General, also Panasonic, Pass, like that. So many cheapest machines are there, but they are. It is very dangerous while we are going to repair. If you are not using proper safety tools, you have to face a lot of issue. Actually, it is very bad injured. Yesterday happened to my technician. I will show you what happened to him. This is the machine, the same like 2-3 machines at the moment to repair. What I will show you. This is the point. This body actually like a blade. It's very sharpened. Without gloves, don't touch this body while you are going to repair or whatever you are going to do with the back of the machine. I will show you. It is like a blade here. See, it is like a blade. You can see here. It is same like a blade. It's very sharpened. While he is going to remove the pulley belt, V-belt, he knocked his hand. I will show you the happening washing machine also. He paid this machine. This is the machine, which is he cut his hand. He used the gloves also here. You can see here, and he tried to remove the V belt here like that. He removed the back cover. He tried to remove the V belt here from the motor to this one. Suddenly his hand knocked here. Here you can see here. Here is still blood. He used gloves are here, and he touched his hand. A huge damage came actually. It is the cut his hand. He used the gloves, only gloves coming to here, but he cut his hand only here because he touched like that, and very badly bleed because of the cut. This one also same. It is like a blade, very sharpened. You can see here. It is see, it is like a blade. While you are going to repair or anything doing, don't touch without proper safety gloves, and also it should be long sleeves shirts or something. Overall is the better, because don't touch this one. Again I'm telling, this happening yesterday actually. Still he is in the hospital. I'm again telling, without proper safety method, don't touch this type of machine. I will show you the any other machines. This one is, you can see, we can touch here like that. No any harmful things here. It is already they bended here. This body already bended. This is brand white Samsung. I'm really appreciate actually. I'm like to work LG, like a branded washing machines. LG, Whirlpool, Bosch, Siemens. This one Samsung. Also this one also Samsung. You can see here. It is no worry while you are going to repair this type of machine. It is 100% safeties are there without gloves or without any safety accessories. Gloves we can repair, we can remove whatever we can do. But that type of machine, I'm telling again, don't touch machines without safety gloves or something. Today my topic actually, this is like a, I have to, that is my responsibility. Whatever we are facing, we have to tell, we have to inform to our technicians who who's watching my channel, my all the subscribers, and all the my audience too. I'm telling, very careful while you are going to remove cheapest machine in the market. If you purchase, but without any professional technician, don't tell them to do the job, because some technician I know, without any safety accessories they are repairing and they are going to remove. Because of that, it is, you have to face a lot of issues without safety method. Now again I'm telling, don't do that like that. And we will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again. If you are not still subscribe my channel, I'm requesting kindly subscribe and kindly touch bell icon for all video. Thank you again.